Major Kalshi classes, online courses for all defense exams, recorded lecture, e-notes, daily live classes, online test. अब online पढ़ेगा तभी तो फौजी बनेगा इंडिया. Download the MKC Learning app and fulfill your dreams.
Good morning everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Now today what plan we had? To go for individual obstacles.
Yes, sir.
So you can see one obstacle in front of you. This is obstacle number 4 in service selection board, known as screen jump.
Yes, sir.
The color of screen is red color. Therefore you need not to touch that screen. You have to climb over this ramp and jump over that screen to the other side.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Second task, you can observe, you need to climb up and after jumping you need to hold that rope and you have to come down with help of rope. This is tiger leap, obstacle number 10 in service selection board.
Yes, sir.
Next to that is obstacle number 7, double jump. You need to climb on the higher platform and from there you need to jump on the smaller one and then on ground. This is obstacle number 7 in service selection board.
Yes,
Next to that is obstacle number 1 in service selection board. It is single ramp balance. The structure comes next is commando walk. You need to reach on the topmost level and you have to open your arms and need to shout a word commando when you are reaching there. Then you need to come from the other side. Next one is double ditch jump. You need to come from that end, jump, hold that rope in air and then you need to land on the given space. You need to leave that rope and negotiate the next smaller ditch barehanded. Next to it is Burma Bridge, obstacle number 5. This double ditch is obstacle number 8 and commando walk is obstacle number 9 in service selection board. Next to it is Burma Bridge, obstacle number 5. You need to climb from that end, walk over the lower rope, holding the upper one, negotiating the gap and need to come down from next end. This is obstacle number 3 in service selection board, a zigzag balance, climbing from that end and negotiating this entire gap. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Any question you would like to ask me?
No, sir.
Here we have 8 obstacles. In service selection board, you will be getting 10 obstacles. And to negotiate all 10 obstacles, you will be getting 3 minutes of time. Any individual who will be negotiating or he completes his obstacles, all 10 obstacles, before 3 minutes of time can repeat any obstacle of his own choice, and that many marks will be given as bonus marks to you. The number of tasks also indicates how many marks that obstacle will be containing once you will be or having, once you will negotiate that task, you will be getting that much marks. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any question you would like to ask me?
No, sir.
Now I would like to call chest number 97
Sir.
to come forward and start negotiating all tasks.
Sir.
Major Kalshi classes, online courses for all defense exams. Recorded lecture, e-notes, daily live classes, online test. अब online पढ़ेगा तभी तो फौजी बनेगा इंडिया. Download the MKC Learning app and fulfill your dreams.